guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita. And so for today's video, I'm going to show you things that you can do around your house to not get bored, because it's a very difficult period of time right now worldwide. And so yeah, basically in my country we are advised to just stay at home as much as we can, and therefore a lot of you asked me on Instagram to just take you out of this boredom with things that you can do around your house when you're facing this period of time. So that's what I'm bringing you guys today, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. These are just some random things that I usually do, but you know, they help me not to get bored and they're very useful. So it's like fun and usefulness mixed together. And so yeah, I'm sorry. Let's get into it.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues.
I don't know how to end this video because the reason why I'm doing it sucks, and so therefore I'm trying to get more positive and, you know, good vibes, but at the same time it just sucks. So yeah, whatever. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, to subscribe down below and join the fam, and also to comment down below what's your favorite thing to do whenever you're home and you can't go out. So yeah, let's help each other by comment down below things that you do at home so you don't get bored. I really hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye! Stay safe!